Hey all, Lee Henkin here today. This video is going to be a short one on LinkedIn. Basically, I want to talk about something that you must have in place before you start doing outreach on LinkedIn, any kind of proactive lead gen prospecting. Okay, and if you don't have this one thing in place, it's going to have a pretty negative impact on your results. So the one thing that you need to have in place before you start prospecting on LinkedIn is an optimized LinkedIn profile. So this works very much the same way if you're doing something like cold email. Like, you're not going to not have like a VSL or website or something set up before you run a cold email campaign. Naturally, if people are interested, they're going to go to the landing page, whatever. They're going to want to check you out. Same thing with LinkedIn. Like, if you start prospecting on LinkedIn, someone's interested, what's the first thing they're going to do? They're going to go check you out. So they're going to go to your profile and see what you're all about. So if you don't have a well-optimized LinkedIn profile, it's not going to work, basically, because they're just, especially today, with all the kind of skepticism in the market, with all the people doing lead gen, there's more than ever. It's going to be harder to actually get results otherwise. So, the main thing is that you end up like you actually optimize your profile first before you start doing outreach. You know, I've seen cases where people won't have a profile picture and they're reaching out. Like, I get this in my inbox on LinkedIn, people sending me email and they don't even have like a profile picture. It's just like, no one's going to take you seriously. You're reaching out to B2B companies. LinkedIn's kind of the place for B2B companies, especially like bigger companies and stuff like that. And you go reaching out to these CEOs and whatever, like with no profile picture, or say you've got a profile picture but like a half filled in profile that doesn't have messaging that's consistent with the outreach and what's on your profile, like, it's just not going to work. So yeah, that's pretty much the main thing you got to have in place first if you actually want to get results on LinkedIn. People are going to go to your profile and check you out when you reach out, and I guarantee you, if you have a crap profile, half filled in, no profile picture, messaging that's inconsistent, those prospects that expressed interest, or maybe they just went to check you out to see what you're all about, it's just not going to go anywhere. I can almost say that with 100% certainty. So make sure your profile is optimized first before you start doing outreach on LinkedIn. I can promise you that it will help you get better results. That's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like it if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. Got any questions, drop a comment, let me know. I'll see you next time.